Now I'm here in Hirosaki Castle. Hirosaki Castle in Hirosaki in Aomori Prefecture, and this is the only castle of Tohoku region which was built in Edo period. And the interesting part of this castle is it is a moving castle. Why I am telling you it's moving? Because you can see. We are going to Hirosaki. Now we are here in Tokyo. We are waiting for our train. Oh, it's coming! Oh, it's coming! So our train is coming and we are about to go to Hirosaki. We are going to Aomori first, and from Aomori we will take a local train towards the Hirosaki. Now we are in Shin Aomori station, and here we are waiting for our local train. We need to take a OU line to reach to the Hirosaki station. You can see the Hirosaki station just behind of me. We are heading towards the taxi stand. We will go to Hirosaki Castle. Outside of the Hirosaki Castle, there are 2,600 sakura trees. You can see beside me, those are sakura trees. And at the time of sakura, it becomes magical. So in the springtime, you can visit this place, and this is actually Japan's one of the best sakura spot. If you want to indulge some time in nature, then this is the best place for you. There is no crowd, you can see. Found the entrance gate, east gate entrance. I think it's free to enter, so nobody charge anything to enter the castle, and behind of me is a big castle gate. You can see Castle Gate. This gate is the eastern side gate.
You can see that it's not autumn time.
Yeah.
Still, some trees are full of autumn leaves.
Yes, I see. Some leaves are changing the color.
Yes.
Here, one maple tree. These maple leaves are green, but over there it's turning into yellow. So,
And some are even red.
yeah. So it's a huge.
And it's
Yeah.
Botanical garden.
Botanical garden green. This
Yes,
side.
yeah, but it will also open after 31st September. 30
Okay. Wow. That's
Mama.
nice.
no, see that tree.
Yes.
It's full autumn color.
Ah.
September. Tree.
Yeah, it's maple tree. And see, those are also turning red. Ah, very nice. Now it's early September, but you can see all the maple trees are turning to red and yellow. So if you come around October, that time it will be fully red and yellow, and it will be more magical. Outside of the Hirosaki Castle, you can find a nice moat that surrounds the castle, and a 49-hectare wide castle garden. The moat and the reflection of the trees. And this side you can find lots of maple trees. Now here you can see another gate. At first we crossed one gate over there, and here is another gate. It's pretty old and it's made of wood. Wow, you can see at the top of the gate there are some dragon. It's pretty old gate. This place is really quiet. Now I am entering another gate and I will see the Hirosaki Castle. Wow, you can see. Wow. So I have entered from this gate. So the main castle was here earlier, but it is moved 70 meters. Here it is written, but everything written in Japanese. Now I have reached the Hirosaki Castle. And you know, the interesting part of this castle is it is a moving castle. Why I am telling you it's moving? Because you can see as the eastern side of the castle base becomes weak, so it's need to repair. So what they did, they take the castle tower, the tensu, 70 meters away from this place to over there. So this is pretty interesting. If you visit Hirosaki Castle now, as because the reconstruction will take about 10 years to finish, around 2026 it will be finished. So in between, if you visit this place, you can see how these Japanese castles are rebuilt. So if you want to take some memorable romantic photographs, this is an ideal place for you. You saw the castle? Where? Oh, now I can see the castle.
And 3 dragonflies over there.
Yeah, dragonflies.
They can't see. They're real, okay.
Now I can see the castle. Just behind of me there is a Hirosaki Castle. So let's go. I was walking for long because Hirosaki Park is too huge, but it's very nice, that I need to say. Now as they have moved to the castle tower tensu from the castle base to here, but it's pretty interesting. And then we need to walk a little farther, but finally we have reached where we can see the castle over there. Now I am moving towards the castle. Wow, here is the castle. I am so glad to see. You can see the castle, Hirosaki Castle, just behind of me. I'm here in Hirosaki Castle. Hirosaki Castle in Hirosaki in Aomori Prefecture, and this is the only castle of Tohoku region which was built in Edo period. Hirosaki Castle was built in 1611 by Tsugaru clan, but in 1627 it was burned down, and earlier it was a 5-storied castle, but after the reconstruction in 1810 it was built like this 3-storied. So from then it is 3-storied now, what you can see here, but earlier it was 5-storied. And the most interesting part of this Hirosaki Castle, now you can see the construction of the base. So they just cut the base, and the upper portion, the tensu or the castle tower, they moved it here 70 meters away from the base, and they kept the tower here. in Japan, you can see so many incredible things along with this kind of construction. Oh, it's really amazing. Castle is three-storied, as I told you. It looks tiny, but it's really nice, you know. See the castle. But what interesting thing I found is the surrounded Hirosaki Park. It's really nice, full of greenery and so many sakura trees. I think there are something. Archishman is pretty excited. I don't know. Archishman, what is there?
I saw a mountain.
Oh, really? A mountain over there?
When I was taking around, I saw
As
a
I
mountain.
told you, the Hirosaki Castle. The castle is nice, but the most beautiful thing is
The
the
mountain.
outside. Yes, the mountain. Wow, Chishman is very excited to see the mountain. As it's around 2:15, so the top part of the mountain is covered with cloud. See, if you come here, you can take a rest in the park. The park is so nice, and wow, you can take photographs here. Oh, this is pretty nice. Wow, I found a huge pond filled with lotus leaves. You cannot go inside of the castle. I think due to the reconstruction, they are not allowing any visitors inside of the castle. But outside of the castle, yes, Archishman. Archishman put his face inside of this stand. So yes, you can take some memorable photographs from this stand, and Milton is going to take the photograph. If you visit this Hirosaki Castle, you can spend the entire day in the Hirosaki Park. It's really a nice park and full of greenery. There are so many rest places. So if you are in a romantic journey or if you are visiting with your family and friends, you can sit and you can spend a very nice time here. And there is a huge mountain over there. So it's really a nice place. Milton found the name of the bridge is Gijobashi Bridge.
Outside people with horse not to enter inside the castle.
Oh, okay. So horses cannot ride over this bridge. Oh, okay. Maybe this one is weak, and I think horses makes more noise, so that's why they don't allow horses to pass this bridge. As you know, today is the first day of our 5 days trip to Tohoku region. So at first we saw this Hirosaki Castle, and now we are moving to Saishoin Temple to see the 5-storied pagoda. So let's see.
Bye-bye, Hirosaki Castle. And don't forget to like and subscribe my mother's channel.
And click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching this video.
Bye. Bye.